Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to the next part of this Boom Racing BRX01 adjustable wheelbase kit build series. In this part of the build series, we are going to go over the final step of the chassis build, which are the wheels and tires. For this part of the series, you'll need the wheels and tires as well as bag D. Now, as you are working with these wheels and tires, just know that there is a front set and a rear set. If you look at this, you'll notice that the hubs are different. So this one is the front set and this one is the rear set. So make sure you have the correct ones. Let's just start off by putting together the wheels and tires. So I'm going to work on the front set first. And these are 1.55 tires, or wheels, I mean. So these are 1.5 wheels and tire set. Not 1.9 like the BRX02, but 1.55. Now I'm not gonna put myself doing all four of these on video. I'm just gonna do one, and we'll move along after I finish all four. Oh, by the way, these wheels are reversible, so you can actually run them like that for a deep dish look, or you can just run them normally. And you do need to line up the holes, which is always a pain with these steelies. Because it's not just the screw holes you're lining up, but you're also lining up these wheel design holes. But the steelies do look good, so okay. Alright, I've got one wheel and tire combo mounted up, and I'm going to go ahead and do the other three. And it's just going to be the same steps I just did. Alright, the wheels and tires have been successfully mounted. Here's a look at the completed set. It's a really nice scale looking tires. I really like them. But now we've got four, and we'll move on to the next step. Alright, to mount the wheels and tires onto the chassis, you'll need these four wheel hexes, these four wheel nuts, these four grub screws for the wheel hexes, and these four pins for the wheel hexes. I had to move all this into this tray here because it was just rolling off the mat and I couldn't find this little corkscrew. Alright, now make sure you got the correct wheel for front and rear. I mean, all the wheels are actually the same, it's just the wheel hubs that are different. So just make sure you put the right wheel hubs in the right location. You'll have to use the boom racing tool if your regular driver doesn't fit, because this will have to fit into the recess of the wheel, which the boom racing tool does. Alright, and that completes step 17, the wheels and tires. They're all mounted up. And it's starting to look like something. So this pretty much completes the chassis portion of the build. All that's left is the body. But really excited to kind of get close to this finish line, and can't wait till it's finished and so that I can get it out on the trails. But that's about all for this part of the series. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for future updates on this boom racing BRX01 adjustable wheelbase kit. Thanks for watching.